Inflation is coming down. That's empirical. There's no debate about that. But it's coming down for really bad reasons, which is the economy is hitting the wall. And not just the US. This is a global phenomenon. We're looking at a global recession. If you understand how the economy really works, if you understand it's a complex dynamic system, you can get very good results. But if you stick to the Phillips curve and a lot of other nonsense the Fed uses, you're going to get it wrong.
You understand not to just batten down the hatches and survive through tough times. You know actually how to put the positions on that will thrive.
Despite the difficulties, we don't have to be victims. We're not helpless. We don't have to curl up in a ball. The key is to see it coming. If you can see things coming, you can deal with them accordingly. You can get through them, not only preserve wealth, but actually make money. So again, we're not helpless. We can do things about it.
You mentioned briefly the war in Ukraine. We're coming up on 1 year now. What do people not know about what's really going on there and how that knocks onto Europe, America, and maybe even to China?
This is not about Ukraine. This is a war with Russia that these people have wanted since 2000. They just hate Putin, period. They want to get rid of the guy. They're coming dangerously close to World War III. This is the closest we've come to a nuclear exchange since the Cuban Missile Crisis. You might be the guy who doesn't want the nuclear war, but if you think the other guy's going to shoot, you shoot first. Is Biden John Kennedy? I don't think so. He's on a reckless path. The most dangerous situation in terms of potential nuclear war since 1962, with a bunch of people who say bring it on.